الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة ولله المشرق والمغرب فأينما تولوا فثم وجه الله إن الله واسع عليم. Translation: and to Allah belong the east and the west. So wherever you turn your face, you will be facing Allah. Indeed, Allah is omnipresent, all knowing. The Shani Nazul of this ayah is that once the companion of Prophet Muhammad were traveling in a dark night, and some narrations say that there was lots of cloud, and they could not ascertain the direction of Qibla. So whatever they thought appropriate, they prayed in that direction. And in the morning, they found that they made some mistake in the direction of Qibla. So they asked Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept his silence on this question. And Allah subhanahu wa taala sent this ayah that all the directions belong to Allah. So it is discussed in detail in fiqh, and we will not go in the fiqh details. However, one important thing we must understand here, that this tahweel qibla, or a change in the direction of qibla, was extremely important for Muslims, and this is just like a ayah, like a preface or introduction here. And in the second juz, the second para, whole four rukus are described, and it is discussed about the change in the direction of qibla. And why was it so important is also important to understand, that Allah gave so many ayahs on this topic of change in direction of Qibla. It is like a mentality, a religious mentality, I should say, of some people, that they only focus or mainly focus on the external actions in deen. So for instance, when they are praying namaz or salah, if they are not raising their hands during the salah, when they say Allahu Akbar, which is called Rafa Yadain, and somebody does that, they feel that this person has done something very wrong or very big. Similarly, if in the prayers, if somebody says Ameen a little louder after the Surah Fatiha, so the person who is not saying Ameen in a loud voice would consider that this man has done something very big. However, the external actions are important, but the spirit of the ibadah or the worship or the internal situation of the worshipper is as important, or maybe even more important, to understand. So when a person is praying, he should not only consider about the external actions, but the condition of his heart, and with the khushu and khudu, and the love of Allah should be very clear in his mind. When a messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and companions were stopped from the ayah, and they from the stopped from the Masjid al-Haram and were banned to go there, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given a sign in this ayah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is present everywhere. So in Medina, they were not facing the Kaaba, they were facing the Baitul Maqdas, while in Makkah, when they were praying, they were facing both, because it was possible that you stand in front of the Kaaba in the line of Baitul Maqdas, but in Medina it was impossible. So when they were praying towards Baitul Maqdas, facing Baitul Maqdas, the Kaaba was there on their back. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given this, that Allah is present everywhere. And after 16 or 17 months, the direction of Qibla was changed. Inshallah, we will study in detail. Ameen. واخر دعوانا ان الحمد لله رب العالمين والسلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته.